Hey everyone, myself Arun, and I hope you all are doing good. So today in this video, I am going to provide some of my Excel skills, and I'm going you to offer if you require any help in Excel or Google Sheets regarding all these formulas. That is SUMIFS, some IFS, average IFS, COUNTA, or any custom formulas if you are looking, or any spreadsheet help. So you can just reach me out. I'm providing my services. So you can just reach me over Upwork as well. So this is my profile. I'm a Microsoft Excel expert and providing Google Sheet spreadsheet help as well. So if you need any training, or if you have some Excel spreadsheet work, so you can just reach me out. I have done a lot of projects over Upwork, and this is my profile, and I have received 5-star ratings from the customers as of yet. And this is my portfolio, and also this is my site. This is my website, which I'm providing these types of solutions to my customers. So Excel solutions, Google Sheets, as well as accounting. So I have also one more member with my team. He is also providing some custom solutions. So we both work as a team member over here. So if you have any queries regarding Excel or VBA or Google Spreadsheets, so you can just reach me out. In the description part of this video, I will be sharing you my cell number and my email address. So, and of course, my profile as well. So definitely we can just start the project, or for the payments, we can discuss it once we have the work. So definitely we can just work. So that's all in this video, and thank you. Hope we will meet soon, and have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.